Today we will continue talking about some common vocabulary. Say these words with your English voice. Sentence. A sentence is a group of words together that say something. It must have a subject and a verb. Subjects are the person or things being talked about. And verbs are action words.
I walk to the park every morning. In this sentence, I is the subject and walk is the verb.
The next one.
Paragraph. These are sentences about a topic, usually 7 to 10 together. Paragraphs are separated by gaps. In a sentence, I wrote 2 paragraphs for my English essay.
The next one, title. The title is the name of a book or magazine. For example, Harry Potter. Chapter. A section in a book which has a number or title. For example, Chapter 1 or Harry's New Adventure. The next one, full stop. The full stop is the dot at the end of a sentence. Let's have a look. I walk to the park every morning. You can see that there's a full stop at the end of this sentence, and that indicates that the sentence is finished. Comma. A pause in a sentence or between items in a list. For example, on Saturday, I will go running, hiking, and swimming. In this sentence, there is a pause between Saturday and I, and running and hiking. And the last one is question mark. Question marks are used at the end of a sentence which asks a question. For example, what are you doing on Saturday?